Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are in Pécs, south of Hungary, in the zoo. Yes, greet my channel viewers, please. Say, have a great day, have a great day. Okay, I tried to zoom in because we just found the bear, but I didn't. Yeah, he's gone. But we kind of expected the deer to show up. But it wasn't actually bear. Oh my god, it's coming here. Oh my god, it's pacing basically. Yeah.
Hey.
It's gigantic. Wow. Yeah, it's pacing, going up and down. It's back, it's back. This is a massive body. Imagine this. Imagine this. Wow. It's 6 o'clock Monday, on Monday. 6 o'clock in the evening, 2 hours until sunset. And basically, you feel the heat. It's September, first week of September. School started, people moving in to the university, and you feel 30 degrees here. 30 degrees. Imagine if you're a bear with a body of 1 ton of meat and fur around your bones. Look at that. I haven't been in the zoo. I knew there's a zoo here, but I didn't know it's kind of nice. Look at that. It's very neat, very clear, recently refurbished, and our bear is there. Look, you can see it because I'm shaking the camera because I'm breathing heavily, but the bear is there. Anything you see moving in that is the bear. Look, you can see the ears. It's coming here and turning back. It's pacing up and down. It's going back. Look, going back. That's the bear. That's the bear. Yes. Listen. Oh. Listen the birds. What do they say? What do they say? Look. Normal people would stop here, have a beer, have some water, but we don't stop. We're moving. We keep on moving. We didn't stop for a second since our flat I took for 5 months to team up with other people who feel that social media is something we should invest our money and time in, to build a new sort of digital experience for a web shop. Wow. Actually, it's good that I'm going to the gym. But the others as well. Now, my God, now the others, they started to run. Good, run. Look at these rocks. Look at the rocks. This is very good, because when it's a storm, when it's raining, the water obviously flows down, and quite safely you can move around because of these rocks. Give you a stable floor. Quite good. I was born in the capital, raised in the capital, lived in 5 different countries, but the childhood I spent with my grandparents, and whenever we had rain, basically the whole place was flooded. Okay, we just met a couple of very nice people, and we asked them how long is the TV tower, and they said 10 minutes, depending on the speed. 10 minutes, anything between 10 minutes and 20 minutes, but we don't stop. Oh my God, these guys doesn't stop. So 10 minutes, probably for us it would be 5. Let's look back. You don't see it on the video, but this is not horizontal, man. I can tell you that this is not horizontal. We're going up to the top of the mountain Mecsek. Mountain Mecsek, how are you? Nice to be here. Thank you for having us here. Okay, look, we're going up. Burning all those calories. Today we had these rocks. Today we had early breakfast and then lunch. Heavy lunch. And now we are here, and we had some alcohol as well. Because why not? I don't know, when I'm burning these calories, the energy, I think about few years back, 3-4 years back, before the lockdowns, before the restriction, the travel bans, the closed doors, the mask, the social distancing, and don't touch your face, wash your hand all the time. Before all this, 3-4 years ago, you could win an election if you said that you bring back all the labor-intensive jobs to your country. You could win an election. And now, where are we? Restaurants, hotels, places of leisure can't open because they don't have enough workers. Imagine all those people swear that they're going to bring back labor-intensive jobs to their country. They would actually do that. The problem would be even bigger, isn't it? Unemployment sky high, and the job advertisement sky high as well. It's never happened before in the history. Oh my God, 2 seconds ago, my team, the gang, was sitting here 2 seconds ago, blink of an eye, and they are up there, look. And I'm facing behind them. Yes, I can do this. I am renting the place for 5 months here in Pécs, south of Hungary, and obviously people coming to check out the place because after my contract is over, obviously other people are gonna move in and join the panoramic view of the first floor. And and 3 guys came, anything between 19 and 22. 3 guys came, and they asked me if they can come in. I said, yeah man, come in. I didn't expect them at all. I said, nobody asked me before. I said that, listen, I know I'm here only for a short period of time, because in Hungary, like in many other places, except of course London, mostly all this lease, basically you rent a flat for 12 months or 24 months. In London, obviously, it's slightly different because it's a very fast-paced city. Anything can change. You can lose your job, you can get a better job, you can get a job that pays 10p more per month, and obviously for that you immediately need to change the country. It's fine. If your manager spend with you 6 months to train you on the job and you just change because someone offered you 10p more 10p more per month, of course you just leave. Don't worry, the manager was working double, yeah, to train you, that's fine. So that is London. And it's different. You don't have this kind of contracting is like I don't know, 12 months, 24 months, because there's no point. It's a different lifestyle. Let's not stop, because if we stop, it will be very difficult to start again. Always look up. Yeah, there's a symbol, the yellow triangle. You see yellow, that is the color to the yellow. Go up to the TV tower. Oh, it was 5 minutes with the car. Oh, the fuck. So these 3 guys came. I looked down, everything is fine. And then I don't know, they looked at the floor and they didn't like something. And I was like, what? And then they left. They said no. There was a weird part. And the other day, a couple, girl Arabic, and the boy blonde Eastern European. So it was a mixed couple before who came, and I noticed that the girl is going around in my house and taking a picture, making a video. And I was like, why would you do that? Take a couple of pictures and it's fine. It will tell you everything you need. But what about a video? Video is not good, because you need to be trained to make a video of a flat that actually tell you something. Oh my god. These stupid people scared me. So the mixed couple came to see the flat. They were making video, and these 3 guys as well, going around, mobile phone, making video, Snapchat. I was like, what for? And all my personal stuff there. Video, you cannot say how big is the place. You only notice my stuff and how clean is the place, and that's all. I don't know, it's weird. I would never do that in my life. I rented maybe, I don't know, 100 flats or something. Never took a picture, especially never took a picture of someone else's property. I mean, the bag, my toothbrush in the bathroom and things like that. Never did that. These people going around Snapchat, Instagram, everything. Video. What for? Why would you do that? Yellow, yellow, yellow. Not even proper yellow, it's like greenish yellow. Look, the sun. It's already setting. We left the flat 5:47. We were already in the monastery, the Pauline monastery, for a mass. 5:47, and now we are here. 8 o'clock sunset, so it shouldn't be caught in the dark here. And that is the TV tower.